Saksham, should we go on with the topic?
Yeah, sir, we should.
Okay. So the topic for you for today is what if you won a lottery?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if I won a lottery, so first of all, I would be very astonished by that fact that I won a lottery. And as far as the spending part of the is concerned, I would not splurge that amount of lottery that I won into unnecessary things. Since I am a very growth-oriented person, I would like to spend that money on my own growth. So yeah,
that's great. How would you invest
that's what
that?
I would like to do. Like some of the codes which I find very costly, I would buy them from that money.
Okay, nice. Now let me give you an example. Let's say you won 10 crores in a lottery. Okay. Now, don't give me figures. Try talking in percentages. Okay. So what percentage of that would you save? What percentage of that would you invest? What percentage of that would you spend on yourself, or just like have a party or take your friends to go out or something like that? You can tell me, you can have any ideas. You can tell me how you would spend them.
Like even 10% of the 10 crore rupees is very large amount.
Yes,
Like it is 1 crore rupees. So I think it is more than enough for my self growth, and I would save 90% of that money into investing. Like I do not know much about the stock market and all, but I will learn it and I will spend it. So in future, it will definitely help me.
That's great. That's great. So obviously, if you won 10 crores, you're not going to get 10 crores, right? You know that, right?
Yeah, obviously, we get 67% of it.
Nice. So you've done your research. You know that the tax is 33% on lottery and inheritance.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
That's good, because not a lot of people know this. Everyone assumes that because I won 10 crores, I'm going to get 10 crores. So 33% of 10 crores comes up to around 3.3 crores, which is a lot of money.
Yeah.
It's a big amount, right?
Yeah, it's a very big amount.
Yeah, you would have around 6.7 crore rupees to spend on yourself. And 10% of 6.7 is around 67 lakhs, right?
67 lakhs. I think it is also a very big amount.
It's more than enough. Yes, you're right. It is more than enough to invest in yourself, to help yourself grow, which is correct.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard, or have you ever, like, do you know someone who's won a lottery? It doesn't have to be a big amount, any amount.
No, literally, I do not know anyone personally who have won lottery.
But
But
have you
I
ever?
have heard
Yeah, go ahead.
incidents of it. Like on television, there are ads of Dream 11. Like they won lottery of 1 crore rupees by just playing games and all.
That's
So
not a
I think,
lottery. I think that is more to
okay.
do. That's, how, let's say, poker or teen patti, right? That's not a
Yeah.
lottery. It's still a game. So they have to do something. They have to be good at the game. Then they win that money. So I don't think Dream 11 is a lottery company. It's a gaming company that gives a good amount of prizes. Sorry, not prices, prizes. So I don't think that example counts. But anyone, let's say my mom told me that when I was born, my uncle won a lottery or something like that, something close to you, not TV. I personally don't believe anything I see on the TV. I think everything is just marketing.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
So
So I don't know anyone personally who have won lottery.
who has won a lottery?
Who has? Okay.
Who has won a lottery? Okay. So Saksham, I think we have 2 minutes, 3 minutes left. Did you forget we had a session? I think you were a little late. You were
Yeah, I know it. Like 4 months ago, we had a session.
No, I'm saying now because you were, I think, 5 minutes late.
Yeah, I know it, but I was busy in some other work.
Oh, okay.
So,
I thought
yeah.
you forgot, and then you suddenly realized, oh my God, I have a session at 8:40.
No.
Okay, great. One more correction. You said if I won the lottery for 10 crores, I would be very astonished, right?
Yeah.
Now, astonished is an advanced English word. Okay. So we don't need to put, very behind it. I'll give you an example. let's say I've gone with my friends to play football for 2-3 hours. Okay. Now, when I come back, I can talk to my wife, I can talk to my parents, I'll tell them, oh, I'm so tired, I'm very tired. It's fine. I wouldn't want to say that, but it's fine. It's correct. But I won't come and say I'm very exhausted, right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Because exhausted is again an advanced vocabulary word that explains how tired I am,
Okay.
right? So there's tired and then there is exhausted. But if you put very behind exhausted, it seems incorrect.
Yeah.
It sounds like saying I have a one pen. Now a and one is the same, right? We're saying the same information again and again. I have one pen, I have a pen. Both these sentences or words have the same meaning. So if you're
Yeah.
saying
So I feel
astonished,
astonished. I feel astonished by winning
I
lottery.
would be astonished.
I would be astonished.
Yeah,
Okay.
I feel astonished is a present tense sentence. That means you are right now.
Yeah.
This is something that might happen in the future. So I would be, right? If I had 10 crores, I would spend it on my education. I would invest in buying a new house, or I would invest in the stock market, right? Would, because this is in the future, it could happen.
Yeah. Exactly.
Are you clear on could, should, would?
Yeah. I am very much clear about it.
See, now again, very much.
I am very clear about it.
Yes,
Is it
I'm
right?
clear about
Okay.
it, or I'm very clear about it. So avoid
Okay.
saying much and many. Now, this is a very common mistake. Trust me, I also make it sometimes. But this is where we need to slow down, and discipline is very important in what we are thinking, what we are going to say. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Now, Saksham, do you have any questions before we end the session?
Sir, I would like to ask about your journey of speaking English in brief.
Okay. So basically, I didn't know anything about English until my 7th or 8th standard. Okay. And then I started watching a lot of English shows because they were fun, not because I wanted to improve my English. That was never my goal. My English learning journey is a side effect. So,
Okay. Yeah.
so basically, I started watching a lot of shows and I really loved it. My first proper show was Friends. I used to watch Friends every night, and that
Okay.
is before Netflix, before we could see it on the laptop. I had to sit at 11:30 outside in front of the TV, fight with my brother that I want to see the TV, and watch one episode of Friends. So whenever I was watching it, I was copying what they were saying. I would repeat the dialogues because it was
Okay.
so funny. It was so much fun. And eventually I learned all the dialogues, 10 seasons worth of dialogues. Now, even if I'm walking
Oh,
by, I don't have to remember which dialogue it is. They'll say something, what did you do? And I'll just repeat, oh, I ran away. And then that person will say, I ran away. Because my brother will be surprised, like, how do you remember everything? And I'm like, I loved the show. I just remembered all the dialogues, right? So that was a side effect. I loved the show. I loved the dialogue. So I repeated it. So my accent, my vocabulary was improved by it. I didn't even realize it until one day someone said, you're really good at English. And I'm like, huh? I'm good at English? I didn't like, what is it? I didn't even try to, improve my English. So that's why
that's great.
my favorite suggestion is watch movies and shows, because when you start loving it, it's not homework anymore. It's entertainment.
Okay.
And if you're learning
Okay,
something
for
while
sure.
being entertained, then why would you not do that, right? You would keep doing it. Then you don't
Yeah,
feel
sir.
bored that,
I
oh
will.
my God, I have to watch an episode. You're like, I can't wait for the next episode to come, right? I want to watch the next episode. That excitement comes up, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So Saksham, session's about to get over any second now. It was very nice to see you again. Thank you so much for subscribing
Yes.
just for me. I don't know what. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. I was
Thank you
very
very
excited.
much, sir. I'm very excited to have more conversation.
See, again,
I really like it.
again, very excited, you said.
Okay. I'm excited to have more conversation with you.
Yes, more conversations with you.
Conversation. Okay.
Conversations, plural.
Okay. Okay.